Hey, Philly fam. I have to get back with my Slurpee challenge. I got interrupted for a couple of minutes, but I want to finish this out. Save me some. Like, why are you trying to eat everything that I have?
But I didn't eat anything.
Well, you can eat in a minute.
But I can't eat in a minute. I can't eat in a minute because there's nothing to feed.
Can't have nothing when you have tea. Nothing. Go ahead. Finish them.
No.
You don't want them there?
Cause you just said you just gonna get mad at me.
Okay.
No, you just got mad at me. Why are you gonna get mad at me and then say get them?
Don't eat them. Excuse me, guys. Are you watching me?
Yes.
It gets cold at night. It gets cold at night. It gets cold in the hallway and we all be cold.
Say hey, cousin.
What's up, man?
I'm doing a little YouTube thing. Video. Guys, I think I have maybe 2 minutes left.
Well.
And
they had 3 minutes.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's starting to stop right here.
You have, oh no.
I think because you're drinking it so
No,
fast.
you have 3 minutes.
Well, our clock says 12:43, but I got interrupted for 1 minute. So I was giving myself till 12:44.
Mario, how you have 3 minutes? Go.
D.
They have 2. That's a lot. You want me to still save some? I'm gonna save you some, okay? Why not?
Go ahead. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you. I probably would have finished a regular Slurpee, but this was again a double gulp, and I got halfway through it. It's 12:44, and I'm gonna show y'all the clock. So that was approximately like 6 minutes on the clock. And I tried my best, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If y'all Slurpee drinkers, after so much, it starts getting stopped. It stopped right here. I couldn't take no more in. Feel me, Dina? So everything, and another thing is, it turns to snow. It's like ice, and it's, you know, like, oh, and everything is, it's like ice, like snow. Y'all from north, y'all know what snow is, but that's what happens. There's no more juice inside. So it's honestly, it's like almost impossible to finish this in 5 minutes. Now, if you give me a little bit more time, I'd be able to do it because the ice has to melt down a little bit.
Go ahead.
But like I said, my throat is jacked. Let me see.
Mine's still too.
Anyway, I'm going to get back with y'all, Philly fam. Holla at y'all later. Love y'all.
The lemon challenge.
And always keep... Yeah, we're coming up with the lemon challenge next. Like and subscribe for more videos. And we'll get back with y'all later. Deuces. Always keep God first.